Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Thursday, 26 March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold rates in the UAE. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 carats gold without VAT is 218.45 and with VAT is 229.37. For 22 carats gold without VAT price is 200.54 and with VAT is 210.57 for 1 gram. For 21 carats gold without VAT price is 191.15 and with VAT is 200.71. For 18 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 163.84 and with VAT is 172.03. For 14 carats gold without VAT price is 127.79 and with VAT is 134.18. For 10 carats gold without VAT price is 91.09 and with VAT is 95.64. For 6 carats gold without VAT price is 54.61 and with VAT is 57.34. I hope you will find this information useful, and if you find this information useful, please like this video and share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.